Hey guys, Got Level here, and today we're going to be talking about the Keychron K4. Now the Keychron K4 was sent to me by the company Keychron, and it is a full body aluminum mechanical keyboard. Now there's a lot of things that are very particular about this keyboard. First of all, the fact that it's both wireless and also wired, but it doesn't stop there. You will see. Now the first thing that I notice about this keyboard is of course the box. I really love it. It feels really pro. We have like some little effects. The logo is kind of like holographic, and then there's like some surface. Some parts are matte, some parts are glossy. Really love when a company puts a lot of effort into their packaging. Now inside the package, we'll find that first card that actually has basic instructions for the keyboard. You will find a user manual. You will find a little warning about the switches, because you can actually switch the switch. You can actually pick a switch to come with it, but apparently you can also swap them out, which is also great. Now, as you can see here, the first thing that I do when I get a keyboard is, get a feel for it. And also, since this one was sent to me, so I didn't get to choose which switch that I wanted, I actually got the brown switches that are linear, so they're pretty silent, they're pretty direct and soft. I appreciate that, because my main keyboard, the white one in the background here, is actually super clicky, which is what I enjoy for gaming, but if I'm typing it gets pretty annoying. As you can see here, there's a specific button for the lighting, and on the side here we have two switches, one to go from Mac to Windows basically layout, and then one to go from off to wired to wireless. And in the back here we have the stands, of course. And here I'm gonna plug it in. I'm not gonna be using the cable that is integrated in the box. We have a bunch of the ABS keys. You have little tools to remove them and swap stuff. I'm not gonna be using any of that here. There's also some extra keys actually that you can use in order to make it look like a Windows layout or a Mac OS layout. I'm probably gonna keep it with the Mac layout. I think I can remember to press Option or Command instead of the Windows key basically. And it is actually backlit. It is RGB and has 15 plus RGB configurations for the lighting. There's a lot of them, but on top of that there are some modifications that you can apply to specific effects in order to have them have a specific color or be fully RGB. So on top of the 15 presets that you have, you can also modify said presets by typing a combination. That's what you're seeing me do here, for example. So if you want all the things to be red, or all the things to be all the keys to be a specific color on top of a certain animation, you can do that. So right here you're gonna see I switched it to Bluetooth, and I'm gonna try to connect it, and basically I press FN1. And this is another thing that's particular. You can actually have it paired to multiple devices and just switch in between devices. I believe it is 3 or 5. Let me just make sure that I don't. Yeah, it's 3 devices at once. So if you have them paired once, you can just switch. As you can see, it's working flawlessly on my phone. I am probably mostly going to be using this with a tablet. Now, another cool thing that they sent with this package is a palm rest. And this one is pure wood. And I like the way it feels, but I'm probably not going to be using it just because it's not necessarily my type of thing. But it's good to see that they really try to push the quality and make this look as professional as possible. At the bottom, you will have those rubber pads so that doesn't slip either, which makes this a pretty cool package. So now for the sound it makes with my specific switches. Now it's important to remember that the one that I got has brown switches, so there's no click to it. I wouldn't use that for gaming, for example, but I understand that, you know, it's a matter of preference, which is really cool, because at first when I tested out, I was like, well, how is that a gaming keyboard? Then I realized that on their website, you can actually pick specific switches to be shipped out to you with the keyboard. Basically, you can, depending on your preferences, you can really pick what you prefer and have that sent to you already built in the keyboard. Overall price, I saw it was at $60 on the website, and honestly there's no way you can really beat that price. The company, at least it's fabricated in China, according to what's written at the bottom of the keyboard, and I think they really tried to push the limit of, you know, professionalism and good quality. The keyboard itself is pretty heavy. It feels very sturdy. I may not be a professional when it comes to keyboard modding or building, but this feels that's as good as it can get, really. The only issue I personally have is that since it's a 96% layout, I have a hard time getting used to the arrow keys, basically. But other than that, the idea is really great. Also, the F keys work really well. You can press FN to have access to the multimedia keys, which is something that I currently do not have access to via my gaming keyboard. I mean, I'm supposed to, but they just don't work. So so I'm happy that the Keychron K4 actually has that option, and it works really well. I haven't seen any issues. Oh, something else is that maybe in the packaging of the palm rests, I feel like they could probably protect that pure wood a little bit better. There was absolutely nothing to prevent it from getting, you know, scratched or hit or damaged, and that's kind of worrying, but it arrived perfectly fine. No dents or scratches, so I guess that works. All right, if you guys have any questions about it, I will definitely keep it and we'll be using it, so let me know. I can try stuff and give you answers for that. And if you're interested in getting one, there will be some links in the description. You can check them out. If you see some Amazon links, most likely there will be affiliate links, so you can, you know, support the channel without any additional cost to you. Really, I would like to say a big thank you to Keychron for sending me this keyboard. I absolutely love it, and I think it's gonna be really good for me when it comes to productivity. I'm mostly going to be using it with a tablet for taking notes and typing out documents or sending out emails, and I've been wanting that for a while because my gaming keyboard just is a little too annoying to really type with. All right, if you check top right on your screen right now, you will see what YouTube thinks is the best video you should watch next. At the bottom of it, you will find my most recent video. But thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you think in the comment section below, and I will see you guys next time. Go out there, make me proud, get level out.